You know, there's a certain allure to the idea of money working for you instead of you working for money. Imagine sitting back, relaxing with your favorite beverage, and watching your bank balance grow without the daily grind. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? Welcome back to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 passive income streams that are your tickets to financial freedom. Have you ever wondered how some people seemingly have endless amounts of time to travel, pursue hobbies, or even just relax while still making money? It's not magic. It's passive income, and it's entirely achievable for you too. But before that, let's be curious. Why is passive income vital for financial freedom? Financial freedom isn't just about being wealthy. It's about having choices. When your money works for you, you can choose how to spend your time. Whether it's traveling, pursuing a hobby, or simply spending more time with loved ones, passive income makes it possible. Moreover, passive income can be a safety net. In an unpredictable world, having multiple income streams ensures stability. It's not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about creating multiple baskets. Lastly, the psychological benefits are immense. The peace of mind knowing you have consistent income rolling in, the confidence it brings, and the reduction in stress are all priceless. Next, the common misconceptions about passive income. It's easy money. One of the biggest myths surrounding passive income is that it's easy money. While it might seem that way when the income starts rolling in, the groundwork often involves a lot of time, effort, and sometimes capital. Whether it's researching the right dividend stock, maintaining rental properties, or marketing an ebook, there's significant effort up front. Set it and forget it. Yes, the idea of passive income is to earn without active intervention. However, periodic check-ins are crucial. For instance, rental properties might need occasional maintenance. Digital products might need updates. It's less about setting and forgetting and more about managing and maintaining. Guaranteed success. While many laud the benefits of passive income streams, not every venture is a guaranteed success. Some stocks might underperform, some digital products might not sell as expected, and some rental properties might stay vacant longer than anticipated. This is why research and diversification are paramount. Only for the wealthy. Another misconception is that passive income is only for those with deep pockets. This couldn't be further from the truth. With the rise of digital platforms and peer-to-peer ventures, anyone can start building passive income streams. Even with a small amount, one can start with peer-to-peer lending or affiliate marketing and gradually build from there. The journey to financial independence. Financial freedom through passive income isn't just a destination, it's a journey. It's about consistently learning, adapting, and growing your wealth strategically. The joy isn't just in the end goal but in the small victories along the way. The first dividend check, the first rental income, the first sale of your digital product. This journey teaches patience, resilience, and the art of smart work. Over time, as your passive income streams mature and multiply, the compounding effect can be truly transformative, leading to a life where you are in control of your time, your choices, and your destiny. Now let's jump into the heart of today's discussion. What are the top 5 passive income streams? Dividend stocks. Picture this: owning a piece of a successful company, and just because of that ownership, you receive regular payments, like clockwork. These are called dividends. Investing in well-established companies that pay dividends can be a steady stream of passive income. Over time, as you accumulate more shares, these dividends can grow, leading you closer to that financial freedom you crave. It's not just about picking any stock. Look for companies with a consistent dividend-paying history. Also, the beauty of dividend-paying stocks lies in the power of reinvestment. By reinvesting your dividends, you buy more shares, which then earn more dividends, creating a snowball effect. Real estate rentals. Real estate is as old as time. There's a reason why it's a favorite for many wealth builders. With rental properties, The rent you collect covers the mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, and whatever's left is pure profit. And with properties appreciating over time, well, let's just say, it's like having a golden goose. But it's not only about buying and renting out. Location, maintenance, and tenant management play a crucial role. Many successful real estate investors suggest starting small, maybe with a single property, learning the ropes, and then expanding. Now, before we dive deeper into our next passive income gem, a quick note. If you're finding value in this video and wish to keep discovering wealth-building wisdom, take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you the best financial insights every week. Peer-to-peer lending. In the digital age, banks aren't the only ones lending money. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club allow regular folks like us to lend money to individuals or small businesses online. In return, you earn interest. It's as simple as that. Do your due diligence, choose wisely, and watch your money grow. Like all investments, diversify your lending portfolio. Instead of lending a large amount to one person, spread it across multiple borrowers. This way, even if a few default, your overall return remains healthy. Create a digital product. Ever thought about writing an ebook, designing a course, or even developing an app? Once the initial hard work is done, these digital products can be sold infinitely without any additional effort. Every sale is money in the bank, and the internet is vast, so the potential is enormous. For ebooks, pick a niche topic you are passionate about. For online courses, platforms like Udemy or Teachable can be your allies. If apps are your calling, even simple ones can be incredibly lucrative if they solve a specific problem. Affiliate marketing. If you're active on social media or have a blog, affiliate marketing can be a goldmine. By promoting products you believe in, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win. The company gets a sale, and you get a cut. And once your posts or videos are out there, they can keep earning for you, day in, day out. Always promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience trusts you, and that trust is sacred. It's not about the quick buck. It's about building a long-term relationship with your audience. You might think, all right, these sound great, but where do I begin? Well, start with research. Educate yourself about the risks and potentials of each passive income stream. Diversify your investments. And remember, while passive income might sound effortless, there's usually a front-loaded effort. But once that's done, the returns can be incredibly sweet. We're nearing the end of our journey today, and what an enlightening trip it's been. Financial freedom is not a mere dream. It's a reality that many have achieved, and so can you. It's about making informed choices and letting your money do the heavy lifting. Before we wrap up, remember, like this video if it added value to your financial knowledge, and hit that subscribe button for more wealth-building wisdom. Every like, every share, and every subscription empowers us to help you build a more prosperous future. Here's to your journey towards financial freedom. Until next time.